Hi, I'm Jeff Ludy, the window expert. Today I want to talk to you about the top 5 mistakes I see people make when buying new windows for their home. Number 1, I see people always fall in love with a window before they fall in love with a window company. You find a great window company who's going to install the windows themselves, not subcontract it. They're going to have employees. They're going to give you quality workmanship. They're going to give you a quality guarantee on their work. Trust me, they have quality windows. They will help point you in the right direction for a quality window. Think about this. If you go to a great doctor, you go to him because he's a great doctor. You let him prescribe the medicine. Same thing with this. Find a great window company, one you love, one you trust. Ask them what would be the best window for your home. Let them guide you. Okay, number 2, paralysis by analysis. Okay, I do this myself sometimes because I'm a geek. I go to buy a car, I go to buy a stereo, I go on a trip on vacation. I'm going to spend a lot of time. I want to learn about what I'm going to get. Why? Because I want good value. But here's what happens in the window industry. In the window industry, everybody has what's called an NFRC label where it shows the energy data on a window. And here's the interesting thing about it. You can have a really poor quality window that has good energy data, and you can have a really high quality window that has good energy data. Comparing energy data to energy data is not a way to determine whether or not one window is better than another. The data is very simple. If you can make a window that passes this information and it passes these guidelines, you can call it an energy efficient window. But we all know that there's difference in quality between an energy efficient piece of junk car and an energy efficient premium car. You could find an energy efficient window that sucks, that is good today but not good in 5 years, 10 years, 20 years. And what good would that be? So a lot of people, when they start getting confused because everything looks the same in the window world, they decide, I'm just going to go with the numbers. I'm just going to go with the numbers. And a lot of times you end up making a bad choice because you either got paralyzed and you finally just said, forget it, I'm not going to do it. Or you got paralyzed and you said, I'm just going with the best numbers. The best numbers, the best price does not always mean it's the best window. Be careful on that. How do you get help in that area? Again, find a great window company. Let them explain to you the numbers so you understand exactly what you're getting to make sure it's the best fit for you. Mistake number 3. People select the wrong frame type for their type of home. A lot of times you have somebody out to the house, they sell you a window. This is the window, it's the best window in the world, but it may be the wrong window for your home. Here's a real good example. This is a really high quality window. It's made from really premium products. This is the same window from the same company, made in a different block frame style. Look at the difference. Look at how much glass space you're going to lose. Look how chunky this window is compared to this one. Which one would you want in your home? Get a professional to help you understand the difference in the type of window you want. Make sure they're ordering the window for your home, not the window that they have the best margin on. You're going to be a lot happier. Mistake number 4 people make is they fall into sales pressure. Oh, I talked to my manager. He told me we've got a big truckload of windows coming. If you want to put your order on this big order, we'll get a truckload, we'll get a better deal. Instead of $100,000, I can sell this to you for $70,000. You say, well, I don't know, it still sounds high. Well, you know what though? We're looking for a showroom, like a local showroom house to feature and showcase our windows. If you would buy the windows and put it in your home, I can give you a $5,000 discount. And they keep dropping and dropping and dropping and dropping their price. They start at $100,000, they end up at $50,000, and they probably still made $30,000 profit. You don't want that. You don't want a pressure person to come in. And the 5th mistake I see, obviously there's more than 5, right? But these are the 5 most common, is predatory financing. When I say predatory financing, what I mean by that is, if you see a company that says, we can get you 48 months, 0% interest, trust me, that's not free. There's no such thing as free money. That's going to cost the company that's selling you the windows somewhere around 20% of the purchase price. So if you bought $100,000 worth of windows and you got 48 months of 0% interest, you think, man, I have great credit. They gave me a heck of a deal. No, they didn't. It cost them $20,000 to buy that rate down to 0 for 48 months. Well, guess who paid for it? They didn't pay for it. You paid for it. If you'd said, hey, you know what? I don't want financing, they probably would have given you a better price. So be careful when it comes to financing. Any deal that sounds too good to be true probably is. I hope this video has been helpful. Please like, subscribe, share it. By the way, if you live in the DFW market or Houston market, please come by and see me. I'd love to meet you. I'd love to learn about your project. If I can't help you, I'll point you in the right direction. If you live somewhere else and you're looking for a great window company, I have a list of great window companies, people I know personally all over the country. Check out my website, thewindowexperts.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. I'll talk to you again real soon.